My name is Amélie-Anne Gauthier. I'm a Development and Communications Officer with the Alumni Office of the Université de Moncton. It's a French university in southeast New Brunswick. We have 42,000 alumni. Our main role is basically to engage with the alumni base. Within our office, mostly, content is at the center of everything that we do. The main challenge was data and the lack of it, mostly. We were printing a magazine once a year, and we were printing 30,000 copies and just sending them out and hoping that people would read it. So it was very difficult to justify the cost and the effort of putting something like this without any knowledge. We knew that eventually we would need to move to another kind of platform, that a flip-through PDF was just not an option. We weren't willing to compromise the quality of the magazine that we were putting out just to switch it online. It needed to look clean and very professional. So I did my research, and my experience from the get-go with Foleon was just great. The most impact we've seen is the data and the knowledge that it brings us. We can now actually make decisions according to data. And also the fact that now we're doing everything in-house. The fact that it's easy to use and fairly easy to comprehend without much of training makes it a perfect solution for a smaller team. We significantly reduced the cost of production of our magazine. We switched from having one printed copy once a year to now having 2 to 3 digital magazine a year, with a quarter of what the budget was for that one printed magazine. In the first year of us switching to an online magazine, we even won an award. So yeah, I couldn't recommend it more. For us, it was completely groundbreaking.